Electronic devices. Cloth dryer. Cloth dryer. Cloth dryer dries clothes. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan cool the room. Electronic fan. Electronic fan. Electronic fan blows cool air. Oven. Oven. Oven bakes delicious food. Hair clipper. Hair clipper. Hair clipper trims hair. Electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrush cleans teeth better than manual ones. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. My hair dryer broke, need to buy a new one. Humidifier. Humidifier. Humidifier helps me breathe better. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Did you fill the refrigerator with juices? Water heater. Water heater. The water heater broke. No hot showers for a while. Remote control. Remote control. I can turn off the TV with the remote control. Video door phone. Video door phone. The video door phone lets me see who's at the phone. Printer. Printer. I printed my documents with a printer. Headset. Headset. I use my headset for listening to music. Reading lamp. Reading lamp. The reading lamp helps me see better at night. Iron. Iron. Ironing your shirt is important for a neat appearance. Television. Television. I love watching TV shows on my new television. Laptop. Laptop. My laptop is always with me for work. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner sucks up all the dust and dirt. Telephone. Telephone. I prefer calling instead of texting on my mobile phone. Light bulb. Light bulb. Light bulb brightens up the room.